Hello everyone, welcome to ACEBOTT's assembly video. Today, we are assembling the basic smart car. Let's get started. Take the parts out of the package and check the parts against the parts list. If any parts are missing, please contact support at ACEBOTT.com. Remove the protective paper attached to the acrylic. Please combine videos and assembly documentation to build the product accurately. Note, the red wire connects to the V-pin of the tracing sensor. Note, the motor bracket is installed on the other side of the motor with a convex point. Install the remaining 3 motors in the same way. Note, when installing the motor convex points need to face out. Install the 4 motors in the directions shown in the video. Note: pay attention to distinguish the front and back sides of the acrylic upper board. As shown in the video is the front side. Note: only 3 screws need to be locked here. Use a cross sleeve to reinforce. Finally, install the ESP32 car shield. Note: the motor shaft of the servo motor faces forward. Note: servo rocker arm is from the servo package. Note: install the ultrasonic sensor facing directly forward. Note: the cable orientation of the battery holder is shown in the video. Finally, connect the battery holder cable to the controller board. Note: pass the connecting wire of the module on the lower acrylate plate through the round hole on the upper acrylate plate. Note: the mechanism will cannot be installed randomly. It needs to be installed strictly in accordance with the video, and the grain of the 4 wheels is crossed. Note: ensure that all cables are correctly connected before powering on the device to avoid burning the modules and controller board. As shown in the video, the upper left motor connect to M1, the lower left motor connect to M2, the upper right motor connect to M3, and the lower right motor connect to M4. The line of trace sensor is connected to line track. Attention to the red line needs to be connected to 5V. The line of servo motor is connected to 25. Attention to the brown line needs to be connected to GND. The line of ultrasonic sensor is connected to ultrasonic. Attention to GND connect to GND, VCC connect to 5V, Trig connect to 13, Echo connect to 14. Note: the color of the 3-pin DuPont line is blue, red, and black. The blue connect to S pin of the sensor, the red is connect to V pin, and the black connect to the G pin. The LED module in the lower left is connected to 2, and the LED module in the upper part is connected to 12. Attention to the black line, connect to GND. The line of IR receiver module is connected to 4. The line of P buzzer module is connected to 33. Attention to the black line, connect to GND. Use cable ties to arrange the lines.